Hello there! If you have an asphalt roof and have ever cleaned your gutters, then this is probably a familiar sight. Piles of asphalt grains from your roof collecting on the bottom of the gutter. As you know, your asphalt roof will shed a portion of its granules every year. If you don't have a gutter guard which can filter them out, most of them will end up in the gutter. So, if you have an asphalt roof and you're looking for a gutter guard, then you'll want something which can keep even asphalt shingle granules out of the gutter. Here's an example of a standard asphalt shingle. As you can see, the stone granules come off fairly easily using only my fingers. Over the years, these granules will eventually collect in the gutter. And here I have a handful of asphalt shingle granules and other standard roof debris. I will then layer this on the Leaf Solution panel, and then I'll remove the panel to show you just how much the Leaf Solution panel keeps out. So, as you can see here, the Leaf Solution Panel Micro Mesh is the perfect size to keep even asphalt shingle granules out of the gutter and still allow water to move through freely. So if you have an asphalt shingle roof and need a gutter guard which will filter out even the smallest debris, look no further than Leaf Solution. Check out other videos on our channel and LeafSolution.com for even more information, and thanks for watching.